welcome back to Pretty DIYs. Today's video is a part of the What Would You Make collaboration. The hosts are OK at Home DIY and Connie's Creative Creations. The guest host is Lovely Moments Creating. The host and the guest host links are in the description box of the video, and the playlist is also in the description box. After you have watched my video, please visit the host and the co-host channels, and also visit the playlist to support the other creators so that you can see their lovely videos and their DIYs. In this DIY, I'm going to be making a wooden vase, and I'm going to be making it out of a box and popsicle sticks, and I'll be staining the popsicle sticks so that it'll make the color a little different, and then I'll be adding some flowers, and so just stay tuned to see how it turns out. This DIY was very affordable. Popsicle sticks only cost $1 from the dollar store, and I already had the flowers. I really already had everything that I used, so I didn't have to buy anything. But it doesn't cost much. Flowers you get for $1, and popsicle sticks you get for $1. And I'll also be adding some bling wrap to it. So stay tuned to see how this DIY turns out.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. She's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 Talking to myself, cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
Okay, so I'm pretty much finished with this DIY. I'm just going to finish gluing the ribbon onto the vase, and then I'll add the bow, and then the DIY will be completed. I really did enjoy this DIY. I love making flower arrangements, so that's always fun for me to make. And also, I just like making DIYs out of really nothing. Creating something out of nothing, it has always been something that I love to do as a passion for me. So I just really enjoy this, and I enjoyed this collaboration. It was fun. It's always fun joining in collaborations and meeting new people that's, creative as well. So really enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments if you like it, if you'll be trying it. Also, give me a thumbs up if you do like it, and consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.